Sheneil Muir goes live for the first time since her outburst on live. And Shenseea goes fishing with her son and also run down our DJ for flower him on his birthday yesterday.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, people may have some stories lined up for you today. Like we said, we are going to talk about Shenseea and also we are going to talk about Sheneil Muir. So first, let's start with Shenseea. So Mr. Shenseea posted this video on our Instagram, and it's a video of her and her son fishing, and they actually show a part where Shenseea catch one fish. Now, I saw another fish on the plate if you don't pay attention, where it look like they just catch, but we see she catch that one here for real. So take a look.
Brother, in there for true, brother. Just believe me now.
Alright. See me, man.
See me, man. Come now, come now, come now. Whatever that man there. Fish, fish. Whoa! Fish! Yo! One fish soon. Right about now.
That me a talk about. So when see she pull in the fish, right? And people, Maria says she had do this, and you know, Raj actually I get to see how fishing go. And I can bet you a lot of females out there never go fishing yet, you know. But when you tell me down in the comment section, female, if you don't go fishing before or want to go fishing regular, tell me down in the comment section. Now, people, we are going to talk about Shenseea DJ. So DJ Black Boy, yesterday was his birthday, you know what I mean? Big him up on him strong. But I have a video of Shenseea. I run him down for flower him, and she actually get on a bike and catch him. So here goes.
Run it down. Catch it.
Run, Jerry.
What's going on there? I put him out there. What? Come on, Tyrone. I love you.
Yeah, people, so I hope you understand what go and do. If you read the caption where Ramesh write on film video, you must say Shenseea smart because Shenseea get on the bike. So them not actually show when time she catch him, but that's what happened from when we read. She get on the bike and ride him down and flower him, right? Because she done run him down and can't catch him. But people, let's talk about Sheneil Muir, right? So you know what going with Sheneil Muir the other day. So she come on the live and she has sing a song and she have something to say. First, I'm going to show her the song bad. But here goes.
Hey, yeah. Oh, yo, IGR, yeah. Them no. You ever lose two people in a 2 week, 2 house gone, 2 bread down, 2 deep, 2 kids? Ever. You see nobody will never walk the road of me up. Can't tell me nothing about the road of me depend. If nobody never endure what me to endure, nobody can tell me about my pain. If nobody never win what me win, nobody can tell me about my gains. If you're never there when me there, listen to me, man. Don't play with me. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh. Yo, IGR, yeah. Them no. You ever lose two people in a 2 week, 2 house gone, 2 bread down, 2 deep, 2 kids, plus 4, 6 school fee. People hurt when the truth speak. A chuma smart, make me know the few feet. Me no keep friends, sell you out like loose deep, don't see it. Enemies trying to drive you out, and guess how we in the front seat. Me not trust family and me not trust friends. Never see me when me down, lock your eye when me up then. I'm paranoid, but I too sleep and night. Be wise, turn on me yard, coming home. Kindness for weakness, my calmness for weak fence. Me don't like the pretense, you hear that? But I too like for talk on me, hear that? You know what? Look here.
Yeah, people, so I'm going to show on our next part now where she actually attack and I say, we don't need to stop bring down people. Good message. Me actually respect what she say a lot. You know what I mean? I'm not just be biased towards her. Right? May I be genuine right now. Like what she say are some real thing. She even in the next part, she even talk about her struggles and how she come up. You know what I mean? Like she lose her job and thing. I'm going to show on that part soon. But let's take a listen to what she have to say in this part first. Here goes.
When I need for break out of this habit of highlighting someone's or something that you think might be able to bring somebody down, even when you don't have facts, whether or not have facts or not. Just as much energy you want to put into people's negativity, why you can't put as much energy into uplifting someone else, especially somebody who is actually trying. I can't understand if a person and try and you outline what they're not doing in a certain tactic to help them to motivate themselves. But why would you go around trying to subdue certain things to bring down another person? Why would you not highlight the positivity in a people, especially artists, when them a do what them a do? Stop from thinking that if you come on social media and you make a specific remark, you will not get a reaction. Maybe 5 out of 10 now go get it, but the next 5 are going to be made an example of. Stop from thinking that we as artists don't have skin and we now go feel certain type of way when we see certain things, as if we're not human beings, as if we're not people, as if we don't bleed as you bleed, as if we don't have family, as if we don't have sister, brother, cousin, auntie, uncle, mother, father. Stop from feel like say when on a compound here so and say certain things, we're not going to react accordingly. And when we send on up deep up under some part of the places, we're not gonna feel that we are not on the first come for we. Stop from thinking that you're not gonna get a reaction out of us. Hello? Me bleed, you bleed. You live same 24 hours of the day for you and for me. And you decide what you want to do with it. Stop from thinking that this world revolves around and entitled because we're public figures.
Yeah, people, so now hear what she has said. I hope it makes sense too, no, because, you know what I mean, it has become more and more apparent that the artists them fed up with people commenting. I know Sheneil are the only person we see about OutBurst. We just see Skilly as a people as in drop off a bike in contact about that. We see Kemar Icon, you know, them a comment about him dating white woman and him basically tell them about them mother said we. So you kind of see that trend here start. But the next part is what they are telling about the job thing. Here goes.
Me, as a young female artist, I get up in the pandemic. I lose my job. I sit down. I use my time. I lose my job, but I gained time. The time that I gained, I used it wisely. I took a social media approach to build my fan base on Instagram. I lost my job, but I gained time. Use my time to create a fan base on my Instagram. Me, sit down, write my songs to put myself where I am with the help of everybody that has been involved in my upbringing in this business. So nobody who's never been through my pain and never did it for me when me did the work, never come feel like you can't talk anything about me and me never put it on a place. So if you think you have the audacity and if you think you have the authority to come at me, you will be proven wrong.
So yeah, people, that's the end of the video. Just tell me what you think about the Shenseea stories them and then about what Sheneil Muir say, right? So big up on yourself. If it's your first time on this channel, you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Big up everybody. When have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. Do the right thing at all time. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.